Hi guys, in this video we're going to make some quick and easy cupcake toppers. We're going to make them look like little bunny rabbits. I'm just going to use fondant, so I've got some white for the main colour and I've got a little bit of light pink, but if you prefer you can just mix colour into your fondants. So we're going to roll it out reasonably thin, at least a couple of millimetres thick though. If you don't like fondant as much, just roll it a little bit thinner. We're going to cut out a circle, and I've got these cupcake foam domes. And I'll put links to everything I use in the description box below, but we're just placing this fondant onto our dome, just pressing it gently so it curves round. And I've got this little round cutter now that we're going to use to create some ears. This one's got a few different shapes in, but any round cutter will do the same job. So we've cut one large circle, and then can you see we've just cut a little bit off either side to create our ears. If they're a little bit short, just stretch them out a little bit. Just using a paintbrush handle, just to create a little bit of an indentation in the bottom of my ear. Now my ear is actually thicker at the bottom and thinner at the top because we don't want them too heavy at the top, otherwise they will topple over. And we're going to add a little bit of pink in the middle of each ear, just with a little bit of edible dust. And it's a dry paintbrush I'm using for it. I'm going to pinch these together at the bottom of each ear. And let's just trim off the bottom bit. It just gives us a flat surface so that they stand up a little bit easier. And you can keep them straight or you can fold them over. I'm folding both of them over on this one. And for my nose I've got some pink fondant, and I'm just trying to use my cutter so I get a little triangle for my nose. Again, if you don't have the cutter, it's fine, you can just cut out a little triangle freehand. And I've got some black fondant. So we've just rolled a nice thin piece with a point on either end, and we're just going to cut it across the middle but at diagonal. And we're going to curve each one to create our eye. Just pop a little bit of water or edible glue underneath where you want to attach these. So my thinner point is going towards my nose, and then the thicker point is on the outside edge. And I'm just going to attach these ears now onto the top. Try and balance them carefully, otherwise they will topple. They're just attached with a little bit of water. Let's give this one a flower. So I've got a flower cutter here. It's a daisy shaped one that I've got. And let's create a leaf. Now I'm going to use this kind of triangle shape on here just because I've got this one to hand. If I squeeze that bit at the bottom together, then creates more of a leaf shape for me. Let's push it just under the ear. Just give our little daisy a bit more shape. Just pressing my paintbrush handle into each petal. It just cups the petals up a tiny bit. We'll put a little bit of water on the back of that. Let's stick that near our leaf. Just give a little prod in the middle with my paintbrush handle. And we'll put a little ball of white fondant now in the middle of there, just to finish it off. There we go. Now, if you prefer, you can add a bow or a different type of flower. So if I was going to do a bow, we want sort of two rough triangles. Actually, my paintbrush handle in and then pinching the bottoms together. We'll just put them together with a little ball in the middle. Just try this on a different cupcake topper now. I've just gone there instead of our flower. And you don't have to do them white, you can do them in a range of colours. So you see I've got some ears stood up and some of them are flopped over slightly, like that one. Ideally you want to give them overnight just to harden a little bit, because then we can add them to our cupcake. So I've just put a little bit of buttercream on the top. Now it is quite a lot of icing, so you might find when you're eating them that you don't want to eat all the buttercream or all the fondant because there is quite a lot on here. But they do look pretty. Just push that on there. There they are, all done, ready for Easter. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more of my Easter Bunny videos, you can find them in my Easter playlist. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment below. You can see more of my tutorials by clicking on the images on screen now. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button to stay up to date with my future tutorials. There are also links in the description box below where you can find me on Facebook, Instagram and more.